What's going on, guys? Welcome to my first video. Let's just get right into it, and I'm going to be explaining how I'm saving money that I'm going to invest, or that I've been investing in this past couple of months. Now, I'm sure you guys may or may not have heard of this app called Acorns. Acorns is, in a way, its own investing app. But basically how it works is that it basically pulls money that you can designate to go here to your Acorns application that is based off of the transactions you make on a regular basis. So for example, this is just going to be a quick example, so let me just explain. So basically here you'll see $6.10, right? So if the way Acorns works is that I have it set up to basically take the difference in what I buy and round it to the next dollar, whether it's $5, $10. So let me just clarify what I'm saying. So basically, if I bought something for, let's say, $3.90, basically how I have it set up is that my Acorns is going to be pulling an extra $6.10 out of my account and depositing it directly here. Now that works really well for me, and in the past couple of months, with everything I've bought through transactions, whether you buy something from Amazon, whatever it might be, food, school books, whatever it might be, it has accumulated to an amount over $400. As you can see here, it's around $453. Now, this is actually the first step. Acorns is actually just something I used in order to save money that I didn't even think I had. And it's been working really well for me, as I just mentioned. Now, I also have a recurring investment of $5 monthly. $5 monthly is not much, and I'm sure most of you guys can do it. Now, if you can see the chart here, you'll see that it seems like it's a big loss, but I'll explain deeper in the video what I'm doing. So within the last 30 days, with all my transactions, it's rounded up in amount over $27, and with my recurring investment of $5 a month, in total these last 30 days I've saved $32 that have gone into my Acorns app. So again, this is just the first step of what I do in order to just save money. Now, Acorns has its own purpose. You can actually just hold your money here, and I believe it basically reinvests the money in the companies that you buy from. So let's say you buy something from Amazon, it'll take a small change and actually kind of invest in a percentage of a stock, something along those lines. And if you guys would like me to make a video really defining Acorns, I can definitely do that at a later time. So for the sake of this video, again, this is the first step. This is how I save money I didn't even think I had, which makes it easier to save money for anyone else. We all do these transactions, whether it's buying ice cream, food, whatever it might be, and this is a way for you to save money. Now, like many of you, I always thought about putting my money and investing it in stocks. So what I use Acorns for, again, and I'll be clear, I use it to save my money I didn't think I had. Once I have it here, I withdraw it. So that's why you can see the big dip here in the chart here. Seems that like I've taken a big loss, and I have technically, I guess, because I usually withdraw all the money from here with no fees. So once I withdraw the money, it goes back into my bank. After that, here comes a second step. So the second step, I actually put it all in Robinhood. Once in Robinhood, I try and do some research here and there to see what kind of stock I can buy. As you can see here, I only have 2 stocks currently in my portfolio, and in the next video I will be explaining why I actually purchased these 2 stocks, but you can take a look at them here, do your own research before I drop that next video. But for now, I think we'll stop there. I just wanted to share what you can do in order to save money you didn't think you can save. If you guys would like to check out the links in my description, I actually have a link for both Acorns and Robinhood. With Robinhood, I believe you get a free stock. With Acorns, I believe you download it, use my link, I think you get some money deposited into your accounts. But yeah, feel free to use those links, and I'll see you guys in the next video.